Klipsch has announced their 2022 reference premier 2 loudspeaker lineup for home theaters, as well as your home audio listening. They've updated all their models, so they've updated their reference line, they've updated their reference premier line as well. So we have a lot of speakers, uh, and even they have a lot of speakers they're trying to replace. So there are about 11 new models in total, that range from $600 to $3,000. So it all depends on what's is available right now. 11 new 11 new products, which I think is really, really cool. The reference Premiere Series 2 is going to improve on the previous generation by adding a large proprietary Tractrix horn technology that improves your imaging dynamics. Klipsch is going to really, really, really go all out to get people excited for it. People will get excited for it. It also looks really, really good in terms of the way it looks. uh it's it's definitely some of the very best that you can see right now. So what else can we expect? What else can we expect? Build quality is going to be better this time around. And it really doesn't take much to know that Klipsch makes incredible speakers. They make incredible products. They all, in fact, they're in the league of their own, of their own. So in terms of the way they build their own speakers in general. So the RP-8060FA is going to be priced at $3,000. Um, the RP-800F $1,800. The RP-6000F is going to be priced at $1,500. Then the last but not the least is going to be the RP 5000 Mark II. That's going to be priced at $1,200. So it's really, 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 really top notch. They also have bookshelves that that look, the bookshelves are really, really cool. The bookshelves are very, very, very good. The model they launched for their bookshelves is the RP 600M Mark II. They also launched the RP 500M Mark II. The center speakers will be the RP 504C Mark II, the RP 500C Mark II. There's also gonna be an RP 404C Mark II. Surround speakers is going to be the RP 502S, and the next is the RP 500SA. So these models are all the models of this product from the last time. These are the latest product from Klipsch. All the details you need will be in the description if you want to check it out. Subscribe to the channel. See you guys very much next time.